In this video, I'll be showing you a simple command that you can use to get a detailed info about your network device, network connection on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 device. So let's go to PowerShell. So when you go to PowerShell, let me just open the standard PowerShell. And we have a command which is called the get-netadapter adapter. So I'll hit enter. So the get-netadapter command will give you details info about network connection type on your device, and it can also give you a variety of info about your network adapters, which include the connection status. So right now you can see, let me just expand this. You can see by entering this command, we're going to see all the different network adapter installed on this device. We can see their status, we can see their MAC address, and we can see their link speed. So this is a lot of information using just this one command. But mind you, here you can see that we have two network adapter which says they are all up and they are using 1 Gbps. So but the other ones, you can see this one is using just 100 megabytes per second, and the other one is using gigabytes per seconds. So to actually check the status of your network connection, here we go, you can actually see the info here. But if I go to, for example, if I go to device manager, you can see all the different network adapter which are installed on my device. And then if I go to control panel, and then if I just here under my network, let me go to my network connection and status. Here we can actually see that we have two connections which are actually up. But at this moment, we can't get a glance of the MAC address of this network adapter. But by using the get-net adapter, you should be able to actually set the status automatically, which is up or down, disconnected, and then get the MAC address and also the link speed. Thank you very much for your time. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If this info is valuable to you, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section of this video. Bye.